baked chicken inspired by my sweet Dominican mom-in-law. Welcome back to Cooking with Feffie, guys. It's been a while, I know. Well, first off, we're gonna start with our sazon, our seasoning, our green seasoning. You're gonna add some onion, garlic, bell peppers, especially green bell pepper, some cilantro. You can even add parsley, celery, rosemary. Today I'm gonna add thyme and oregano. I usually put a lot of oregano and I leave out the thyme. Next, you wanna add some olive oil. Don't be too shy on the olive oil, like my bottle is being here. And then we're gonna add some vinegar. I usually add lemon juice. I just really didn't have lemon juice in the house, but vinegar is also a really good idea. I like it. Gives it a little oomph. Next, you wanna blend it, chop it finely until it looks like this. No big chunks. You can even go finer than that if you want. Now, for the chicken, you can add any cut meat. I'm choosing chicken legs, some nice big juicy chicken legs. You want to leave the skin on there. Wash it good with some lemon juice or vinegar. And then you want to season your meat. So I use adobo all seasoning, Sazon completa. Don't be shy on the seasoning. Add some paprika powder. I usually add some onion and garlic powder. And today I guess I did not. But please be aggressive with the seasoning. Next, you want to add your green sazon. Also, don't be shy on that. Now we're gonna mix it up. I like to pull open the skin, push some of the seasoning into the meat, into the skin, under the skin, and make sure you get it all over. Massage it in well, marinate it, love it. If you like this video and find it helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you. Now back to the chicken. We're gonna marinate as well and we're gonna add some soy sauce as last. I like to add a little bit of my dark soy sauce because it's really dark. You don't need to add much of it. You massage it again and you're gonna set it aside. I like to leave it overnight. Overnight gives the best results. It just tastes so much better. And when that's done, we are going to bake it. For the baking, you're going to preheat your oven at 190 degrees Celsius. You're going to add it to your baking sheet, baking pan. Make sure there's enough space there. Add some of the liquids. We're gonna cover it up with some foil. I like to cover it up because it just makes the meat juicier, tender. And we're gonna bake it for about 45 minutes to an hour. When that's done baking, you wanna remove it out of the oven. Be careful with the steam. And then we're gonna remove some of the liquids, pop it back in the oven, and we're gonna broil it on 220-30 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes, flipping it on each side after 5 minutes, and voila, there you have it. This chicken with some moro guandules, oof, that recipe is also on my channel. Thanks for watching. Until my next video, bye.